Uh, Hello everyone, this is Gaurav Chandra Das in front of you. Now I am talking about a book fair. Recently I have visited, where is many types of books and booksellers are gathered with various types of books. It's called a book fair. A book fair is an event where booksellers, bookshoppers, and also some relative type of books are show there, and they also sell their book to the book lovers. It's a place. Recently I have visited I visited a book fair in Dhaka. The program was organized by the Bangla Academy Premises. It's actually adjoined with Sorwardi Uddan. Before name was Racecourse Maidan. It's held on 21st February, International Mother Language Day. That day, our two mothers lived their lives. That's why it's called an International Mother Language Day. So in whole February month, the book fair is ongoing in this month. When I went there, I was really stuck because there is a like sea of people. Everyone is enjoying their moment. So I also joined with them, and also after that, I see that some people are buying books, some people are reading book, and some are enjoying their moment, and also some people are capturing picture of one another. They are also enjoying their moment. And when I go on a shop, like it's a big shop on the right corner of the field, and there are so many type of different books like literature and also poetry book, scientific fiction, history book, biology, chemistry, and also English pattern type of books, English literature, English spoken, English IELTS book. Uh, then I thought I need to buy something. Then I bought a book like which is about English spoken. Actually, after reading this book, I enjoyed it too much, and after that, I think I need to take something. I need to take some food. I go to a near shop and I take some snacks. After that, I meet some famous person. I also take picture with them and also take autograph from them. After that, I came to my home with my family and also my friend. So that is the one of thing. I have visited my uh, a book fair, and I am sharing everything to you. So if I do any mistake, please pardon me. Thank you very much.